How to download 4K quality videos for edits. Watch full video. Open Play Store. Search Pinterest app and download it. Open Pinterest. Go to the search bar and search 4K videos for edits. Now select the video which you like the most. Click on 3 dots and copy the link. Now go to the home page, open Google and search Pinterest Video Downloader. You can see many websites. Open Pin Download. Paste your link here. Click on the download button. It will be saved in your gallery. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more tutorials.